You type docker run, hit enter, and 1 second later, a whole isolated Linux world just exists. Here's what actually happened inside that 1 second. First surprise, the docker command you type does almost nothing. It's just a thin client. It packages your request and fires it at a REST API on a Unix socket where the real boss lives, the Docker daemon. The daemon checks, do we have the Nginx image? No. It pulls it layer by layer. An image isn't one big file. It's a stack of read-only layers, each one just a diff, addressed by its hash, downloaded once, shared by every container forever. Now the delegation chain kicks in. Dockerd hands off to containered. Containered spins up a tiny shim, and the shim calls runc, the small binary that does the actual magic. Runc asks the Linux kernel for namespaces. Your container gets its own process tree, its own network stack, its own file system view. Then groups clamp how much CPU and memory it's allowed to touch. And on top of those read-only image layers, one thin writable layer, just for this container. Then runc exits, and your process is just running. No virtual machine, no guest OS. It's your own kernel, wearing a very good disguise. That's Kompile. Subscribe for what's actually under the hood.